Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing this refill valve. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to take this apart. Make sure you turn off your water. So you're going to unscrew this thing. So it's very simple. Take it out. And this piece was completely broken, as you can see, and our water wasn't refilling for the pool. So what you do is you go to the pool supply store and you buy one of these replacement pieces. It costs about $20 to $22, and we're gonna screw it on. It's hard to twist, so I'm gonna take this piece off first, so we can just put this part in first. This way. Easier to screw on this way. Okay, so now we're gonna tighten it with the wrench, but let's get it on first. So this job I call, and it was gonna cost me $150 for the technician to come out and do this with the parts, and I'm so glad I figured it out that you can actually do this on your own. So what you want to do now is tighten it. Try to get it in as tight as possible. Okay, so we have everything screwed in. Now we're going to put the floaty in there. And then we're done. And we'll turn back on the water, and then we're going to test. So I'm going to take the screw here. And this is going to help you adjust how high you want your water to be. For us, take a look at the pool. It's good where we are at the moment. Give it a minute to screw this back on. So now we have everything on. This is screwed back on. Okay, we got the floaty working. Everything's new. Got everything on, screwed tight. I'm going to turn on the water, and this is how low we want our water. So we turn on the water, and it is working. And the water should stop when it gets back to the top, just like your toilet. There you go. $150 job. You can do it yourself.